This is my morning face. It was like, I almost freaking fell.
Shining, I know something you don't know. Shining, all eyes on me. Shining, all eyes on me. Shining, shining.
Hey guys, so I just woke up and came to let the dogs out. Tatum, sorry. Tatum, come down there. Go potty. Come. Thank you. But, so yeah, I just woke up. We're gonna go for a walk in a little bit after I get moving. Are you ready for your breakfast? A little nub nub going. Okay. So this one's for Tatum. Wait. Yeah, that one's for Roscoe. Okay, Roscoe, since your sister didn't wait. You're a good boy. Okay, and then also every morning I try to drink most of this. I drank a little bit last night before bed. But I try to drink most of this. Just because you're supposed to drink water in the morning. But yeah, so I'm gonna get changed. And then, Tatum, stay out of his bowl, it's empty. And then we'll go for a walk, and then after that I'll have my coffee and breakfast, and then in the mornings while I'm drinking my coffee, I like to catch up on YouTube videos. Hey, why are you getting all crazy? I'm trying to put my shoes on. You know we're going for a walk. I got my walking shoes out. Alright, back up so I can finish putting my shoes on. Back. Back, you foul beasts. Alright, back. Oh, you babies. I love you. Okay, let me finish. Alright. Watch out. Tatum, Ross, go first. Good boy, put that paw down. Alright, this paw. There we go. What? You're sitting in front of the camera, Tatum. Alright. Oh. Dang, Chumps McGee. You're getting some weight. Don't whine. We're finna go. Alright. There we go. We got your harness on. Alright, get your butt out of the camera. No one wants to see that. Alright, let Mama get her headphones. Okay, we're walking down through the neighborhood. Babies. It's still early, so no one's like out. There's not usually a lot of people out here anyways, which is kind of nice. So we have sidewalks and street to ourselves. Oh shit, there's glass. God, come on, get out of the glass. Of course. And Tatum's got to pee already. Okay guys, now we're headed up the hill. This hill's pretty steep, so get our extra little exercise on. Come on, babies. Come on. Gotta eat some grass. Get ready for the hill. Alright, let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Alright, so we just got back from our walk, and now I'm gonna make some coffee. Let me put this down. So she has a Keurig that I use reusable. This giant cup. So I always do a 10 ounce of water and an 8 ounce, and it fills it up perfectly with just enough room for my almond milk. I'm gonna make a bagel too because I'm super hungry now. We only walked a mile today, but the roads here, there's a lot of like really steep like hills. So we walked up a really steep hill. And then because it's been raining, there was like the grass between the cracks of the sidewalk, you know? It was like it was grown out to like this size. And I stepped right on it and was like, I almost freaking fell. And there was this older lady in her car. I don't know if she saw me, but I almost fell. And it was going downhill, so we were going a little fast. Life. What is life? Yummy, yummy. Hi. Who's here? Alright, so my Chewy order just arrived. I had to go ahead and get 2 bags of dog food. I just wanted to make sure I had enough, so gotta bring that in. Okay, so there's one. This is for their little snacky snacks and their Kongs. But I guess I'm only getting 1 bag today. Are you guys ready for a snack? Alright. Tatum, you can have this one. And Roscoe, you can have this one. So it's basically just frozen wet food in their Kong. And it'll last them for a while. Keep them busy. Ugh, that noise though.